Ever wondered where all those amazing videos you've reposted on TikTok have gone? Finding your reposts is super simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how in less than 2 minutes. First things first, let's head over to your own profile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal TikTok landing page. Now, look above the grid of videos that show up on your profile. You'll see a few different filter options here. We're looking for the one that says Reposts. Go ahead and tap on the Reposts filter instantly. The video grid will refresh, and you'll be able to see every single video you've ever shared with your followers through the Repost feature. This is your personal curated collection of awesome content. It's a fantastic way to quickly revisit trending videos that caught your eye, discover new creators you love, or even find inspiration for your own content. From here, you can tap on any video to watch it again, see who originally posted it, or even engage with it further by leaving a comment or sharing it with friends outside of TikTok. Managing your reposts means staying on top of trends, supporting your favorite creators, and building a more engaging presence on the platform. It's all about making your TikTok experience work for you. So that's how you easily find and view all of your reposted videos on TikTok. Happy curating!